Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-game language on the It Takes Two game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up It Takes Two on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, in order to change your in-game language, you will need to first go into Options. This is the third option counting from the top. Once you go into this menu, make sure that you are within the game options, which is at the top left corner. Then scroll all the way down, and then within the second last option, you will see the in-game language. You can click on the toggle at the first to switch among the various different languages that are available. After finding your desired language, just click on Apply Settings, and now your language settings will be applied right away. After this, you can continue to play your game with your chosen language, and if you wish to change it back in the future, you can once again enter the third menu from the home page, and then from the top left corner, scroll all the way down, and from the second last option, you can choose your desired language. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your in-game language on the It Takes Two game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.